when he had no ownership interest in that material at all, and he had no authorization to claim such rights. Ooh. Defendant failed to consider the doctrine of fair use before issuing his takedown notices. This was a direct violation of the requirement recognized in a previous case having to do with Universal Music Group. Ooh. Defendant's actions as Troy Terrain.
Oh, so Troy Terrain was basically saying he owned music that was owned by Universal Music Group and it wasn't owned by himself. Got it.
Were willful, malicious, and intended to suppress lawful speech. I mean, I find it to be a very compelling argument so far. Myself, I'm buying the argument. I mean, I'm biased, but I mean, it all tracks to me. He didn't even own a picture that he said he owned. And he got somebody's whole entire video removed. And then it was in this stupid little copyright court for like months and months and months. It's been like an all-year ordeal. I think that's material. And if he didn't even own that picture, and then also remember, Point and Shoot actually got permission from the person who took the picture. Remember that? The person who took the picture, the photojournalist, gave him explicit written permission to use the picture. And then Troy Terrain still wouldn't let up on his allegedly false copyright claim. Oh my God, I cannot wait to see how he responds to this. It's going to be so funny. Who was trying to suppress free speech as a direct and proximate result of Troy Terrain's conduct. Point and Shoot suffered damages, including but not limited to lost income, reputational harm, emotional distress, and attorney's fees. He is now entitled to actual damages, costs, attorney's fees, and any other relief that the court deems just and proper. Okay, so what's the second cause of action? The second cause of action.
Sheesh. Sound like Point and Shoot's outline is all fairly well, but the only thing about it is you have to now depend on the judge to see it your way. Doesn't mean they're going to see it your way, it just means that you want them to.
Action is kind of like malicious prosecution or abuse of process, basically like misusing the legal system, getting the courts involved in something they shouldn't have gotten involved in the first place. Plaintiff incorporates allegations above. Defendants filing, so that's Troy Terrain, filing DMCA lawsuits in the CCB board for the purpose of seeking to avoid plaintiff having the ability to have his videos reinstated is improper, and that constitutes an abuse of process. Oh my God. So technically what they're arguing here, Point and Shoot is arguing through it.
That this nigga, Troy Terrain, just manipulated the entire system for evil.
Lawyer, is that by Troy Terrain filing them silly little copyright review board BS, he was abusing the legal system. He was also abusing